In this video, I'm gonna show you the best way to watch free movies. So I'm gonna show you a couple of websites to show you like from where you can watch different movies, different genres. So I'll start with my favorite one, which is Onion Play. You can see here like different movies, TV shows, episodes, and different genres, and even the top 50. And why this is my one of the best website, because you can find literally the brand new movies here, and the quality is good. Even the TV shows, you can see here the latest TV shows are here. And the second one I would say is Tubi TV, and you can find like all the different movies, even the old movies, all genres you can find. And in this website, you can also find Tubi Kids, where you can find movies for kids, literally like new movies for your kids, and all of them are free. And the third one I would say is Peacock TV, and yeah, you can watch all the movies from here. Kung Fu Panda 4, and you can watch all new and old movies from here. And the fourth one I would say is Pluto.tv. On this channel, you can see on demand, and from here you can find different movies, comedy, crime, science fiction, entertainment, and all kind of movies you can watch from here. And even you can watch a live TV from here. Different TVs you can watch from here. The last, but not the least, I would say most of the people they don't know about this, but on YouTube they can watch free movies. You just need to go on your left side and click movies and TV, and then from here you can see movies free with ads, and you can also find the new movies from here. So this is my video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Hit the subscribe button and like my video. I'll see you in the next video.